Hello, my friends. How are you? This week I'm giving tips and talks, and yesterday we talked about judgment, but I thought it would be fun if I mixed it up and also showed you some kind of DIY or homemade or some kind of fun beauty stuff. So today I'm going to talk about the lips. With the lips, if you want them to be, if they're dark and you want them to be more pinker, or a lot of time our lips are chapped and then when we put our lipstick on and stuff, we have to use scrubbing and stuff. So I have a really nice homemade remedy. So what you're going to need is about a 1/4 cup of milk, and you're going to need like a 1/4 cup of turmeric. And then like an old toothbrush. I don't really have an old toothbrush, but I might make this my old one and keep this as my lip scrubber. But a lot of times when I go to hotels, I pick up the toothbrushes because we have so many guests or my kids come and then we don't have any toothbrushes at home. So I've got this new one that I'm going to use. Comes with a little travel thing too. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my turmeric and show you, just put it all in there. There we go. And mix it around with the toothbrush. And if you feel like the turmeric is not enough, you can always add more because you want it to be kind of like a scrub. So you just put it on. I might have had to add a little more, but that's okay. But anyway, so I'd like to know what do you guys use for the lips? I have a balm that I use sometimes. I put it on. I scrub it sometimes, but this home remedy, because turmeric is so good for you, I like to use the home remedy stuff. And another thing I use turmeric for is I like take the turmeric capsules because I've got a little bit of arthritis and I have 1 or 2 of them a day. I have a great facial regime that I use with turmeric, which if you are part of my Letting Go and Love It private Facebook, I will be doing, tutorials on facial and hair. So if you want to know like fun tips about beauty and really get deep inside a lot of topics, that is a great group. We have a small group right now, and every day we have some fun topics to talk about. Once again, it's letting go of your grown kids and loving it. But anyway, so you're supposed to let it sit for about 5 minutes. Let's see. So anyway, so if there's any tips or anything you guys want to talk about, just, DM me, let me know, or put it on the Facebook group, because, everybody has different things they want to talk about, but they don't know how to express themselves, or they're not really sure about the topic, and I'd love to be talking about it. So it hasn't been 5 minutes, but we can see that it's becoming like that. So what you do is you just take the toothbrush and you just scrub. Make sure to keep your mouth closed because I can kind of smell all the turmeric in there. Okay, let me get a towel. Got my towel here to wipe it off. And like I said, if you want it to be a little thicker, that's fine, but just scrub. And then you just wipe it off. And you can see, oh my gosh, it feels so smooth. So when you put on like your lipstick or lip gloss or whatever right after, it just gives it more of a smoother look. And like I always say, a lot of us moms, we do not do self-care or take care of ourselves. So in between all of my talks, it's very important to take care of yourself. And even doing just a little thing like this for like 5 minutes during your day, that is self-care, right? Because a lot of times as stay-at-home moms, we always take care of everybody else, and we're making sure everybody else looks good. And when it's time for us to get ready, we have 5 minutes to get ready and run out the door. Or by the end of the day, we lie down in our beds and we say, okay, tomorrow I'm going to make sure I do something for myself. I'm going to get up and walk. I'm going to meditate. I'm going to have a cup of tea with no kids. And then what happens is that doesn't happen. At the end of the day, we say, okay, didn't happen today. I'll do it tomorrow. So, 5 minutes. How long did that take? That didn't take long at all. And doing a mini facial or something. And the thing is that if your day is so booked and you've got so much to do, instead of making excuses and say that I don't have time for self-care, the best thing to do is put it on the calendar. You know, write it on your calendar. We write in our books, you know, going for tea, have to do this, have to do that. The kids have this, they have an appointment. I have to go here for my hair. We do all these things, and self-care is a priority, not a luxury. So if you write it down your calendar, put it in your phone, have an alarm where it says even 5 minutes, half hour, 1 hour, whatever you can, every day this time is for me. And literally, even if it's just laying in your bed for 5 minutes just to regroup or taking breaths, that is self-care, because we all need that. So if you want to know more about, you know, what facial I do or hair stuff, you can join the private Facebook group, Letting Go of Grown Kids and Loving It. Otherwise, stay tuned, because I am hoping, and I will keep you updated, that my friend Humera, who is an endocrinologist, will come on tomorrow, because I'm trying to set up time for her so we can do something live, because she takes care of women with diabetes. And as you get older and, you know, you become over 40, sometimes we get type 2 diabetes. So I want her to come and talk about women's health and diabetes. So stay tuned and I'll keep you updated. I'm really hoping that she does come on. Otherwise, I'll have a tip or conversation tomorrow, 9 a.m. See you there.